Good morning, everybody. We are going to attempt to harvest potatoes before a storm moves in. So we have been in Canada for a little over a week, and well, actually it took us 4 days travel, 2 up there, 2 back, and we were there for 5 days, so 9 days we've been gone. And some friends of ours took care of everything again for us. And Ed and Cindy, thank you so much. You did a great job. We're so thankful to have you guys as our friends, and just can't express enough how grateful we are to have you, to know that we can trust everything and not have to worry when we're gone. Today we're going to harvest potatoes. We wait until they're good and dead. You can see we planted them in containers this year, and we're going to dump those out and see what we end up with.